Hey guys, what is up? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be building an iPod. So I've got a lot of stuff here that I'm going to, put in the iPod. I have the iFlash board that I'm going to use. I have giant battery, a brand new back case, and a new front to the device. You can see this one's blue. I think it looks really good. I think this will be really cool looking on the iPod, and let's go ahead and build the iPod. Here's my new desk, guys. This will be perfect for building the iPod. As you can see, I have a few parts laid out here, so let's go ahead and start building this thing. So here is the housing, guys. You can see that it has the DAC in it, and we can go ahead and start loading things into it. So, got the main system here and the display right there. Now, we're gonna keep the black click wheel, because I think it would look very cool to have a black click wheel and a front that's blue. So, line those up. I feel like that would look pretty cool. So we're gonna keep the black click wheel. Here's the black display thing. We're not gonna use this. Alright, let me move all this stuff out of the way now. And get to these. So I'm gonna put this together first, because this one will probably be, easier to have ready. So let's go ahead and load the display in. Got the display in, let's go ahead and close that. We got the display on here now. That's progress right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this and put this part on now. That looks good. No click wheel. Why must you be so difficult? Just stay on. Okay, that's on, it's on. I just have to hold it there. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. The buttons are clicking. Everything feels good. Let's go ahead and put in the screws now. There we go, they're all in. This is all attached and ready to go. Feels good now, the buttons. Looks good. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and get started on the back housing, loading things into here, and then we'll get to the iFlash. So we have the battery here that we're gonna need to this is not supposed to go in here, but it's made for the iPod. It's just, it's not OEM or anything. So let's go ahead and take this off now. 1 terabyte. I am not putting in a terabyte in this video, but maybe in the future. Leave the door open to that. Okay, so I need to remember which way it's supposed to go. I think it's supposed to go in this way. So, alright. That's gonna sit like that. So, I'm gonna put it in like this. This is gonna go underneath this. And that should work the way it is. So, let's go ahead and get the plugs going. Alright, got that ribbon plugged in. These ribbon cables can be really hard to deal with sometimes. But let's go ahead and put in the iFlash board now. And this is gonna go in. So where a hard drive would normally go in backwards, this is actually gonna go in forwards. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Put it back up, I should say. So now this is open, and we can go ahead and slide it in, although sometimes this can be a pain to deal with. Alright, that's about as far as I would be able to get it to go, so we can go ahead and close that, and that should work. If it doesn't, we'll have to readjust that, but now I can fit it to be under here. Now it's fully in, so we can go ahead and take this ribbon cable and clamp this one down. So, let's go ahead and take this off now. We need to pry this up. I might be able to do that. Yep, I was able to do that with my fingernail. So, let's go ahead and try to get this on here. So, sometimes these can be a real pain, these ribbon cables. Alright, I got that one in. Now I can go ahead and... I think that's actually everything. These things are pretty easy to build, so if you ever wanted to try that, definitely be something you could do. Like, they're quite easy to build. So, now that we've done this, oh my gosh, that back looks so good. Let's go ahead and close it up. Make sure nothing's in the corners or the edges, it's going to get cut. And try to close it. Well, that looks good. Look at this. Oh, it's already turning on. There we go. Look at that. This thing looks great. Alexander's. Nothing else. Just Alexander's. That's Windows FAT32 for you. Not enough letters. Just straight up Alexander's. Which, I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. So let's go ahead and power this thing down and just get a nice shot of it. This build is a success, and I'm going to try to put this back on this so that I don't have to, you know, let it touch the ground. It's too pretty. Put it right here. Yes, this build was very successful. I built the iPod. It's beautiful. iPod 5th gen. Oh, and by the way, the reason that it said Alexander's was because the iFlash board, I never restored it. So that's out of a different iPod, and this one was built with parts and new parts, because obviously this blue one is not OEM, but it's still really good looking, and I really like the way this build turned out. You guys should let me know what else you want me to build in the comments down below. So guys, that's going to end this video. I really like the result we got with the iPod. This thing is looking great. This thing looks great. Like, I don't know if you can see it in person, but that is so shiny. It looks so good. The blue front with the black click wheel, I think looks really good, and overall this build turned out to be great. So guys, do let me know if you want to see more builds or whatever kind of videos you want to see. I will do my best to get them done and make them. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will do my best to make it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.